Hi, today we are making steamed egg custard. Let's get started. 6 large eggs. $250 grams. And a half teaspoon salt. Slowly sieve the egg. Add 500 grams of either chicken broth or water. The soup and the eggs ratio should be 2 to 2.5. Gentle stir. And remove the bubbles. Okay. Boil the water to steam in a big pot. Put the egg on the pot, and once the water is boiling, turn the heat to medium. Medium heat, steam for 10 minutes. 10 minutes up, and turn off the heat. Let the egg sit in the pot for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take off from the pot. Have a look. Soft, smooth. Before eat, you can add some soy sauce and the sesame oil. It can be eaten just by this, like a breakfast, or can eat with Chinese pancake and the lunch. Enjoy!